Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to make a sound on TikTok. So here the main thing that you want to do is film a video and then publish it, and then go to your publication and make another video using your own sound. So let me show you how to do it. At the bottom center of the screen you see plus sign. This is what we need. And here basically let's film some kind of video for a few seconds. Okay, so 5 seconds I think will be enough, and then just publish it like regular. Now go to your profile, and okay, I will wait a few seconds until this video will be checked. Okay, now it's okay. You open your video that you have just recorded, and here the sound icon, and here basically what you want to do is add to your favorites and basically use your own sound, and that's basically your sound. You can even make that video private. So here you see privacy settings and select only for you, if for example you don't want everyone else to see your video. So this way. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.